Welcome! Are you looking to share multiple videos along with a message in your Messenger chat on PC? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the new update that simplifies this process. Sending videos has never been easier, and we'll guide you through the steps to get it done effortlessly. First things first, let's open the Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your chats without any hassle. Once you've got the Messenger interface open, it's time to find the conversation where you want to send your videos. This could be a friend, family member, or even a group chat, so pick the right one. Now go ahead and open that conversation. This is where the magic happens. Look for the photo icon or the option to attach a file. Clicking on this will prompt your File Explorer to pop up, letting you navigate to your video files. Next, you'll need to locate the videos you want to send. With the new update, you have the ability to select multiple videos at once. So, browse through your folders, select all the videos you want to share, and prepare to send them. Once you've chosen your videos, it's time to personalize your message. You can write a note to accompany your videos, making your message more engaging or giving your friends a preview of what they're about to see. Finally, click Send or simply press Enter, and watch your videos fly over to your chat. It's that simple. With these straightforward steps, you can now share memories, clips, or anything else in just a few moments. So there you have it.